selfie now with the tree behind us.
Hi folks! We're just on a walk along the canal all the way to Tottenham Hill, man. Apparently it's gonna be like a 15-minute walk, but we'll see. I just want my steps
How many steps
to accomplish. I'm now currently 7.5k, so I would easily get 10k today.
12
or 12. Yes!
Maybe
There's
more.
my walking partner. Say hello to the vlog.
Hello to the vlog.
We don't have a vlog, but we just say hello for the feature. It's a lovely sunny day today. It's quite warm. I'm wearing this stupid coat, but it'll get cold later. So anyway, it's like a walk in the country. Oh my god, look at me. I'm sweating.
Canal boats.
Okay guys, there's the canal boats right there. Over there. Why am I walking backwards? Canal boat. My walking partner here thinks it's a clever idea to live in a boat. I don't think so. 6 foot something guy there living in that little boat.
Look, there's a boat coming down the canal as well.
So there's a boat coming down the canal as well. I just
Doesn't look
repeated what he said.
Doesn't
How
look like
stupid.
doesn't look like a canal
Okay, I
boat, though.
have to go now because I'm sweating. I'll catch you later.
Ciao.